So children, I am going to discuss with you another method that is called the prime factor method of finding HCF. So let us try what is the prime factor method. So there is a question given in the second, in 8B question 2, find HCF of 12, 16 and 28. So I'll just show you how to do find the HCF of 12, 16 and 28 by using the prime factor method. So first step to do this prime factorization is we have to split these numbers into the prime factors. Okay, so we have to split these numbers into the prime factors. How will we do it? So suppose we have 12. So we have to split it into the prime factors. So how will I do it? We will say 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So what are the factors of 12? Factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Now the next one is 16. So I will split it into its factors. I will write 16 and see what are the prime factors. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. And 2 1s are 2. So what are the prime factors? 16 is equal to, we will write 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 2s. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. The next is 28. So I will factorize 28 in the similar way. I will split it into its prime factors. So we take 2. So 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are 14. And now 7 is a prime number. So we can write 7 1s are 7. So I'll write 28 is equal to 2 into 2 into 7. So now we have to find the common factors. So you see this is the common factor for all, this 2. So we are finding out HCF. So we will write 2 is a common factor. Anything else? Yes. One more 2 is common. See? So this also. Then 3 is not common. 2 is not common now. So what is HCF? So HCF is 4. Okay. So this is how we can find the HCF by prime factorization method. Now this is another question. Find, same using the prime factor method, we have to do find HCF of 48, 84 and 88. So how will we do it? In the similar way, we have to split it into factors. Okay. So first we will take 48. So what are the factors of 48? 48, I will write it as 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Again we can do it by 2. 12. Okay, again 2 2 6 are 12. Again 2 2 3s are 6. And then 3 1s are 3. Okay, so what are the factors of 48? So we will say 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2 2 4 2s and 1 3. So that these are the factors of what? Factors of 48. Prime factors of 48. Now we will see about what 84. So let us try 84. 84. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Then it won't go by 2. So I'll try 3. 3 7s are 21. And 7 1s are 7. So what are the factors of 84? I have 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So these are the factors of 84. Now let me try 88 also. So what about 88? 88 I have 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. 11 is a prime number, isn't it? So it won't go by any table. So 11 ones are 11. So I will write it as 88 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. Okay. So when I take the common factors, now I have to take the HCF. HCF means the highest common factor. So what is the highest common factor? You see 2 is common. So I'll write 2. Then this 2 is also common. So I'll write 2. After that 2 is here, 2 is here but not here. 7 is only here, 11 and 3 also here and here but not here. So that is it. So what is HCF? Is 4. So please try question 2 also and finish it. Okay. So this is the prime factorization method.